Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're going to force a clean hotspot state now. First, turn personal hotspot off in settings, then wait about 5-10 seconds before turning it on again. While it's off, change the hotspot password so any stuck devices lose authorization. This removes phantom connections. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled after you restart the hotspot, because iPhone uses both to manage tethering. Once done, check Connected Devices list to confirm available slots have returned. Now clear client-side caches so they stop reclaiming a slot. On each laptop or tablet, choose Forget this network for your iPhone hotspot, then reconnect with the new password. That forces a fresh session. Toggle Bluetooth on both ends to reset the peer connection, because iPhone sometimes counts a stale Bluetooth link as active. If any client still appears connected, restart that client. Reboots kill hung network stacks. Make sure devices aren't auto, rejoining immediately after reconnecting. Finish with device-level fixes. Restart the iPhone to clear any kernel-level tethering state, because that often removes phantom connections. If the hotspot still says temporarily full, install any pending iOS update, and as a next step, use Settings General Reset Network Settings. This wipes saved networks and can fix corrupted tethering configs. If none of that helps, contact your carrier to confirm tethering limits, and consider backing up and restoring the phone as a last resort. This resolves rare, persistent bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.